Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is WireDogSec, back with another video for you guys. Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment below, please. Right, this video is going to be a overview of TryHackMe, the TryHackMe website, TryHackMe platform, whatever you want to call it. Let's get into it here. TryHackMe is basically a website or a platform that you can go and sign up for and get all kinds of good trainings when it comes to cybersecurity. Now, not all the training is free. There is a lot of training on here that you do have to pay for, but the yearly subscription, I believe, is only about $100 a year. So to me, that's very affordable. And what you get in return is very valuable. So you're not, just burning money or what have you. This website is full of various different paths you can take. You can go and take the cyber defense path. You go take the offensive security side of things. But it covers a plethora of different topics when it comes to cybersecurity. This is my dashboard here. This is some of the stuff or some of the rooms that I have done or I am currently working on. And you come here in the top right corner, that's the rank. It says here I'm in the top 1%, which I take that with a grain of salt. I don't care about the ranking or anything like that. I care about the kind of knowledge, kind of skills, and such that I'm going to be gaining from doing these various different types of activities. Now, TryHackMe does have a lot of step-by-step tasks when it comes to these different rooms, what have you, because that is part of the teaching process. It'll, tell you, it'll give you a task and it'll say, you need to do such and such activities to complete this task or to obtain this flag or to get this correct answer to move on to the next task. And that is a type of handholding, but it does teach you on what to do. Now you got to take heed and actually pay attention of what you're doing because there are various different rooms or boxes on here that you will have to hack into or discover some kind of flag on them. And in order to get those flags, you have to know how to carry out that specific type of attack, etc. Let's scroll down here, skills matrix. I mean, this is basically everything that you've done in here. It'll tell you what skills you need to work on, what are you lacking in, what areas you're strong in. But as you can see here, fundamentals 100% because I've done all the fundamentals in here. And fundamentals are the most important thing when it comes to cybersecurity. You need to get a solid understanding of the fundamentals because they will come back and you'll come back and reference the fundamentals throughout your entire cybersecurity career. That's what I'm saying. Got the level tracker down there. It comes up with new rooms and such. It keeps track of whatever questions you answer this week. As you can see, I don't have any answered in here for this week. And let's go to learn here. As I was said before, learning fast. Best way to learn is by doing. Our content is guided with interactive exercises based on real-world scenarios, from hacking machines to investigating attacks. We've got you covered. That sounds pretty doggone awesome. Not only is it guiding you through the process, but it's actually having you do those various different tasks so you're actually learning. It's the whole thing. It goes back to, showing me how to fish, have me fish, etc., etc. Learning paths, various different learning paths here, red teaming. If you're into that kind of thing, introduction to cybersecurity, junior penetration tester, pre-security cyber defense, complete beginner, etc., etc. Junior penetration tester, that can be great for if you want to go and test out for the EJPT exam. Complete beginner if you're new to cybersecurity. I mean, you might want to go there. Even pre-security, you want to tackle that one. If you're into the defensive side of things, there's red teaming here, offensive security. Oh, and then Pen Test Plus. If you're going to take this Pen Test Plus exam, this could be a good study area or a good task to help your learning when you go and take this exam. And as you can see, you can get a 10% discount off the exam. If you want to go in, learn about, how to test web applications for security issues, there's web fundamentals here. Let's see here, cyber defense. I mean, if you're into the blue team side of thing, go here. It'll teach you about network security monitoring. It'll cover various different tools like Wireshark, um, different types of SIMs. It might get into Splunk, anything like that. Modules breaks it down to various different modules, specific types of tools. You can see here Burp Suite, Metasploit, Nmap, network security monitoring, introduction to web hacking. I mean, initial access phishing stuff. I mean, this is just a variety of various different topics and stuff you can just go into and learn about how to do things. Let's just go and click into one here after you get done scrolling down. And the networks. These are actual boxes you get to break into and test out your knowledge and skills. I mean, if, of course, you have the paid ones, then you can go in and access the paid boxes. Let's see, just go and click into one. Basic computer exploitation. See, it covers various different things. And this is an actual box here. I have to get done learning these subject areas here. You go in and hack into a box, exploit a box. There's another box here too. Let's just click into one. There's notifications out of there. Right, if you have a description or what have you, you can start the attack box. I believe if you have the free account, you have to use some kind of VPN in your own box to get into um, this platform to actually attack the box itself. Start machines, pretty much self-explanatory. Reconnaissance, just going through a few things here. It'll tell you, give you information about Nmap, whatever tool is going to be used, it'll give you information over it. Various different options, flags you can set in there, and then answer these questions here. You'll have to actually conduct this activity and get the answer results. It's kind of similar to the EJPT exam. In order to answer those multiple choice questions, you'll have to actually exploit the boxes and then find those answers to those questions. So I think this will be a very good resource for you if you want to go ahead and take that EJPT exam, or if you just want to build your skills and experience. And this will look great on the resume. Okay, let's see. It's got a compete thing here. You can do King of the Hill leadership boards or leaderboards ranking. Let's just go to King of the Hill. King of the Hill, it's kind of like, I guess it's a game, capture the flag type of thing. King of the Hill is a competitive hacking game where you play against 10 other hackers to compromise the machine and then patch its vulnerabilities to stop other players from also gaining access. The longer you maintain your access, the more points you get. Oh, that's pretty cool. Goes over how to play, various different lobbies here. So this is pretty good stuff. FAQ section, I mean, goes and breaks it down, explains the game very well. I haven't done any King of Hills yet. I might go into it one day. Let's go back to learn here. Practice. These are actual other rooms and other boxes you can go into and try to break into those boxes and systems. Another type of hands-on keyboard activities. I mean, you're just basically building all kinds of skills and experience from going through understanding what's being taught here, understanding the concepts, the information that's being displayed, and you're actually going in and conducting that activity. You go in and search for whatever box you're into, breaks it down, various different categories, types, etc. Various different CTF challenges. I mean, this stuff has a lot of different information. You can spend your entire life in here probably just going through and looking at various different subject areas and various different CTFs. Let's see here, vouchers, etc., swag shop. And you collect badges on the way as you go through and hack various different machines and such. I've acquired various different badges. So it kind of keeps you motivated. It's like, okay, I want to get this badge here, so I'm going to go and try to complete that task or complete that room to earn that badge. So that's awesome. 30-day streak. I mean, it's pretty cool stuff in here, guys. And that covers the gist of it. If you find this interesting, go ahead and sign up for this platform. Heck, sign up for the free one. Do the free boxes. If you're liking what you're seeing, then go ahead and subscribe and become a member. If you enjoyed this video, got any type of information from it, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment below your thoughts and opinions, and thank you for watching.